Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And I know that it's been a long time since we have made a video about market updates in Bitcoin or any other market types. So guys, this is an update video. So let us jump into the market. Okay, so yeah, let's start it. And guys, generally when we talk about the market, what I'm expecting is definitely it's gonna be some sort of a deviation upside and rolling back to the downside. But um, so I mean I'm covering. I would like to cover all the topics. Like I would like to cover about what's going to be happening most probable basis short term and mid term and long term too. And we are going to look into the three sort of scenarios. In this video. So guys, this is the perp chart of the Bitcoin. So I would like to do a major analysis in this video. I like to look into the charts of various types like the spot and perp and many things. So let's start the video and let's jump into the brace. Okay, here we go. For when we talk about what is happening in the spot, in this daily chart, it is going to be a range in total price action, which you could observe here. Um, it's the basic behavior of a range is going to be there should be a big higher volatile move on a monthly basis. So you can see this here. It happened here. Indicator gave an indication about an upcoming range, which we got here. So this one here, we got a little bit of sideways or a big expansion. That's what it is. So here, what we could observe is a sideways range. That's what I'm looking for right here. So as a part of that, this there could be a deviation, so we couldn't get any sort of a big deviation here, right? So what we could get is a little bit a slight SFP that wasn't enough to actually create a ton of short positions in the market. So here I'm gonna check out what happened out there. The open interest relations. That's what I do look most often, to get an idea of what's gonna be happening in the market next. So here, what you could observe here is from this point in perspective, there have been a big long accumulation happening in the market, and right now, what is happening is the open interest is covering. So the longs are covering their positions up here. So the longs are making their exits. But they have to do, get one more push up. That is generally the 3-day break patterns. So here we got a one and two. There could be one more move up before this big move down. So that is the basic principle of the market. And you can observe the thing about the momentum. So right, I'm gonna pick up an indicator called RSI. So here you could observe that the momentum is still downside, it's moving down. When you see this sort of patterns, what happens is it usually creates a three drive pattern. So there could be many people who will just has that illusion of a big move down right over here. People who might be thinking like the price is going to go down stride and they will be like accumulating the short positions, but the market more often won't give any shit about what they are doing. What the market is actually doing is where the big people are positioning with a low liquidity gap, liquidation gaps, and that could be the short positions which coming right over here. So, and there could be a big probable basis scenario like a move up and a big move down again. So it's a three-dollar pattern is what here I could just see and imagine. So this is what more likely is going to be happening, right? So on a short-term basis, it's the choppy, craziest, shitty patterns which I have ever seen in my life. What's going on here? What the fuck is going on here? Not gonna use these profanities, but it is what it is. You can see the lowest volume has been trading on the market. I don't know why, but even if you are checking the perp chart, it's the lowest volume. Uh, Yeah, I mean, it's like 1000 BTC or 2000 BTC per 15-minute candles. It's crazy. Lowest volume, obviously. And if you are looking at the daily, what is the actual volume which have been traded today? I personally think there could be some sort of events or something like that today happened. I don't know. The reason behind why I've been off a few days, not posting. I never been um, I'm inactive like this before because it's been so long time. I personally think like 2 weeks since I last trader on the market, actively sitting as like a scalper. I've been doing swing trades. So obviously that's one thing which you can manage all the time, but it is not what like as a scalper we should be sitting in front of the PC and doing the trades in and out very quick. So here the reason behind it was I've been on vacation, a small vacation, not a big. So I just came back home and I'll be posting the updates and market updates and my trades and everything is set up. And also educational posts also here on my public Telegram channel. And so guys, this pattern is gonna resolve to the upside most probably. So here you guys can see a big sharpness and maybe probably one more spraying down, maybe a move below of this, take a liquidity and a big move down because we are having an imbalance here. And most probably we will take out that and a big move up, take out this high. There could be big stop losses of shorts that have been accumulated over that big dump area, but there wasn't a big short because you can see that open interest goes down last since that last move. It means that there were not a big shorts coming into the market. It's all the long liquidations which is happening right over here. So this is a big chance for the shorts to get in. This is not the case of Binance, but there is not how these other big exchanges like Bybit is one of them, and Bitget has a small volume, but not like it Binance. Binance is the king right now in their rated market right now. So that's why I'm doing just analysis on Binance because it's enough because FTX just went down, so now our FTX charts on data are needed because it's just wrecked. All things just fucked up. But here on the Binance, it's there's a large volume, large flow of open interest, but right now it's not. Right now you can see that volume is really low. The CBD, when you see that CBD, there is how accuracy of selling on happening on the perp, the price isn't moving really down. That's what you can see right over here. This choppy pattern, and versus if we could just compare what the actual thing is happening versus the price. This CBD is coming down. The price is hovering and holding like a strong giant beast. So it means that there is how it supports. Price is taking support. Price is getting biased, right? So that's what it is mean. Just taking a sip of water. So guys, that's it. And yeah, on gold. When I talk about the gold, so it's been that post which I had shared on my Telegram channel. So gold is approaching my TP 1808. That was my final TP which I had on my trade, which is a short. Raise just tap into that area, bam, big bounce up. Perfect. Well plan traded. So I made on my profit account last week. That's a huge big trade. Just snap that entry from 1807. You guys can see that on my 8 cap trade from account, which is founded by the firm called FT Plus. Fund of Trading Plus. That's where I do my trades. I do get the mails all the day from the set of 8 cap. Once my trading day is finished, the reports, what was my TP, entry, exits, and all that shit comes out of the phone. So that's it. That's just an update on our market conditions, and gold is going to up temporarily, but the trend is overall to the downside. But the gold doesn't care at all. The trend has been completely holding on a long-term basis, but the mid-term and short-term is up, but the mid-term is kind of like a neutral right now in the gold. But I would be updating about the gold in upcoming videos, but not something not something which is really relevant right now. It's fine. And what about the ES? Should be ranging most probably in upcoming weeks. Yeah, it should create a range. So it's a deviation up. Most probably it's gonna come down. Yeah, looking for a down. It's gonna be a massive range here. For the Q1 at least. I mean, at least at the end of the March. Once that happens, you guys can see big dumps. Market from Q2, it's gonna be down. From until the Q1 ends, things are gonna be very calm and quiet environment or market because it's raging. So that's why you could notice some pumps happening in the market overall. The A sector, there was a boom, there was a boom, and on the sector of LDOs, liquid staking derivatives, uh, LSD, yeah, liquid staking derivatives. See, I think LSD. There was a massive trends that area. There was definitely a little bit moves in the ZK ops, ZK saying category. Just not a good move. I think it's all over about over getting to an hour because the Q&A is over. Okay? So that's it. By the way, guys, bye. Goodbye. See you guys soon.